You think having anxiety and depression is quirky? It's funny when people say they want to meet someone who is quirky, but don't like people who are genuinely different. Like someone could be obsessed with Gothic culture or collecting stamps or cups from the Victorian era, and that's just weird. But someone wears their hair in a messy bun or a ponytail, and bam, that's quirky. Honestly, I don't see how it's a problem to like things that a majority of people like. It's not a matter of feeling different anymore. It's a matter of feeling superior. I don't understand how being toxic, unhygienic, abusive, and rude makes anyone feel superior. But apparently it does, cause teen logic. However, I feel like people put girls in two categories these days. You're either labeled as being quirky or basic. And if you're really different or not like other girls, you get bullied. You're not praised for it. And no matter what, people make fun of you whether you're basic or quirky. And why are they always bashing other girls for doing girly things? I'm not doing this to impress anybody. I genuinely just enjoy painting my nails, taking care of my skin, and working out. If that makes me basic, I don't care. I don't know why, but for some reason, a lot of people still believe that hating on people makes them look cool. People are going to be mean no matter how you are, whether you're basic or quirky. So if you're going to get hated on either ways, why not get hated on for something that you really are? Because when you are real, you attract real people around you. You are what you love, and not what other people tell you to love.
Hello guys, it's Rue. If you like this video, give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell if you want to be updated with all the new videos that I post. I also write books on WATTPAD, so do check them out. They are all based on teen humor and teen fiction, and I also write about fantasy. The links to my social media are given in the description.